guys, do you remember an ad which said no problem for any question the guy asked? There was a motorcycle and there's this Japanese guy standing next to it, and one of the guy comes and says, ask a couple of questions, and every time he asked a question, this guy only said no problem. Yes guys, I am gonna talk about a no problem motorcycle today on my channel. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video upload. And in my last video, I covered another sibling from Suzuki, which is a Suzuki Shogun. Here's a link on the top if you want to check out that motorcycle and later come back and watch out to this motorcycle. Yes, I'll see you guys right after this intro video to tell what is that motorcycle which I'm going to talk. Wow, and welcome back to another brand new episode of Never Out of Fashion on Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. And today I have the no problem motorcycle with me. You might remember in 90s there was an ad which came in, and there was a Japanese guy standing next to the Suzuki Samurai, and a guy comes and asks a question to him, and every question you ask, the Japanese guy just said no problem. And truly this motorcycle stands for that no problem word. This is a 1994 model, so TVS in collaboration with Suzuki got a couple of motorcycles, out of which this is one of them. So you had Suzuki Samurai, Suzuki Shogun and the Suzuki Shaolin. So this is a 100cc motorcycle powered with 8 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 9.8 Newton meters at 5,000 RPM. And yes guys, as usual, let's get a little up close and personal with this motorcycle and run you through the entire system of this motorcycle, right from the Odu till the exhaust of this motorcycle. Let's get it. So first, as usual, let's start from the Odo or the instrument cluster. So this came with two instruments. To your left is the kilometer and the speedometer, and to your right was the fuel gauge. And then if you look into your left hand side, you have the headlight switch on and switch off, high beam and low beam, right indicator and left indicator, horn and the choke. This didn't come with the pass light. And if you look at the right side, you had the kill on and kill off switch of the motorcycle. And if you look at the sitting position, this was very comfortable. It was made a commuter, everyday commuter, so it was a much comfortable sitting position. And this is a 12-liter fuel tank. Like I told, it's average of 45 to 50 kilometer mileage. And then there you have the 100cc engine, and here's a small mod or an upgrade which is done in this motorcycle. So you don't have this piece here normally. So this is an additional tool box which has been designed and has been done for this motorcycle. And let's have a front profile look. So if you see, you have the round headlight for this motorcycle, and the Shogun came with the rectangular headlight and also had a windshield with that. And this is how it looks from the front. And since this was a two-stroke, every liter which went inside this tank was also mixed with 20 ml of oil, and because it was two-stroke, this motorcycle could easily do up to 100 kilometers per hour effortlessly, just being a 100cc bike. And this was probably one of the most powerful motorcycle in its segment during its launch, and people just loved this motorcycle. It was super nimble and super powerful as well. And when it came to agility, it was fantastic. It just weighed 116 kilos, and which made it very very nimble and to very easy to maneuver. The owner of this motorcycle has kept this motorcycle in mint condition even today. Let's have a look at the tires. If you look at the tires here front, you do not have a disc brake. These are drum brakes. Most of the two-stroke motorcycle which came those days were all drum brakes, both front and at the rear. So now let's listen to the sweet exhaust note of this motorcycle. The best part of two-stroke motorcycle was the exhaust or the exhaust note. They sounded sweet, and let's listen to that now. And that's all I had to talk about this motorcycle, guys. I hope you guys like this video as well, and please share your thoughts. If you ever owned one of these motorcycles, or your dad or your uncle or friends or anybody, and you had a chance to ride this motorcycle, and what was your feeling during those days, or even now if you have one, what's your feeling when you ride this motorcycle? Again, because of the lockdown, I will not be able to ride such motorcycle or any of these motorcycles and show you, but this content is purely curated for lockdown purpose, because I could get you a little bit of nostalgia in you and cherish those moments. And until the next video, guys, stay safe, stay at home. I'll see you later. Bye bye.